We'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So when you click on it, sorry, we go back. When you click here on your photo profile, so when you click here on your photo profile now, it's going to take you to your profile here. Go above this sign, click on it. So then you come to next here, then you click here on privacy center. Then you go down, just come here to control how ads appear to you. So then you come here to show me relevant ads. You click on no here. Then you click here on turn off. Then it's going to disable with you here or hide with you relevant ads. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.